So I just filled this one. We're going to do a second one just to show. Pull the top. Push the screw in. Take the top. Take a can of butane. Start to fill. First video I was kind of just blabbing, explaining it all. That's we're going to kind of see how quick we can do it. After you do this initial pulling the check valve, you don't have to do any more. So literally after you do one, next is just pop the can of butane in, fill it up and go. It's even faster after you do the initial. This can was a little bit more because I got it at Home Depot and it's a name brand, but you can buy these cans at head shops for $5, $8, something. They're not much. I think Thermacell ones for 2 of these in the pads like 15 bucks. So you figure 5 in these and just buying the pads, you come out way ahead. The first video was right at 3 minutes. I had to pause it a couple times while I filled this. We're at 2 minutes now. We're about 3/4 of the way full. Let me spin the can around so you can see it a little easier. There you can see the level. As you compress that air, gotta bleed some of it off. Keep filling. The video of the step-by-step how-to, talking about what I'm doing each step, is the video before this one. So if you find this video, you don't know what's going on, go to the little button on the side, you know, look me up. It's titled Thermacell Refill Hack. We're at the top of the label now. I go halfway between the label and this neck. We're at 15 seconds left. We're going to be right at 3 minutes, so that's not bad. So, sit down TV show. You can knock a bunch of these out in the evening.